Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Mini Cooper versus Toyota Yaris. We'll explore what makes each car unique, helping you decide which compact vehicle best suits your lifestyle. We'll cover performance, interior features, and overall value, giving you a clear picture of their strengths and differences. Let's dive into the specifics of these two popular small cars. When it comes to performance, the Mini Cooper often boasts more robust engine choices, delivering a spirited and engaging drive. Its precise steering and firm suspension create that signature go-kart feel. In contrast, the Toyota Yaris focuses on practical, efficient performance, making it an excellent choice for daily commuting and urban environments, with its smooth and predictable handling. Inside, the Mini Cooper presents a distinctive and often more upscale cabin, featuring unique design cues and higher quality materials. You'll find a blend of retro charm and modern technology. The Toyota Yaris, however, offers a more straightforward and practical interior. Its design prioritizes ease of use and durability, providing a comfortable and functional space for everyday needs. Considering cost and practicality, the Mini Cooper usually comes with a higher initial price tag and potentially higher maintenance expenses. It's a premium compact car. The Toyota Yaris, on the other hand, is renowned for its exceptional fuel efficiency and legendary reliability, often resulting in a lower overall cost of ownership. It's a smart choice for budget-conscious drivers seeking dependable transportation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.